Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. BP's crazy plan to drill in the pristine Great Australian Bight is riddled with faults. This week, BP hinted they might use faulty equipment in the roughest, deepest, remotest Great Australian Bight waters to get at 1.9 billion barrels of subsidized climate-altering fossil fuels. No! The Australian regulatory body has the power to stop it. The $64,000 question is, will they do it? A decision is expected perhaps as early as next week. Gigantic subsea bolts have been snapping around the globe since 2003. BP hasn't revealed whether it will use those bolts. They're not required to under the Australian law. This is unacceptable. Drilling in the Bight risks the most biologically rich southern Indian Ocean sea life on the Australian continent. This is ecocide. This is madness. Burning half that oil reserve will push Earth's temperature over 2°C, and life as we know it will be uninhabitable well before mid-century. Please support seashepherd.org.au and bobbrown.org.au because they're protecting the Great Australian Bight from BP and their deadly drilling. Hashtag fight for the Bight. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners, so don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on that donate button and pick yourself up any number of swell books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life, the wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.